Quick reading for April the 3rd to April the 4th, Libra. The long wait is over. Siguro ang tagal ng panahon na inantay natin, no? By the way, your cards are the Moon card. Na-excite ako sa inyo. The Fool card and the Page of Swords. Katulad ng sinasabi ko, ang tagal nating inantay kung meron bang movement itong relationship ninyo. Kung meron bang plano si person, no? To put this connection into another level of commitment. Kung meron bang mangyayari or may plan siya, no? Para seryosohin itong relationship. Ang nakita naman natin, maglalakas loob ito. Although sabihin natin, sige, parang unequipped si person yet, no? Pero gagawa siya ng way to, para ipakita sa'yo na seryoso ko dito sa plan natin or seryoso ko sa relasyon natin. It may not be a perfect relationship that I can promise you, but makikita din natin dito yung lakas ng loob, no? Whether this is makipag-commit na, parang nakikita natin dito cohabitation, proposal, and marriage. This is your quick reading for April the 3rd to April the 4th. Libra.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.